Hey Manny, I see you're checking out one of our famous objects here in the Science Museum.
Oh, hi Mars. Yeah, so you guys have got the first ever model of DNA. Now all the code that makes you is stored in this incredible twisted spiral.
Did you know the scientists who discovered this, Francis Crick and James Watson, alongside Maurice Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin, used X-rays to figure this model out?
Wow, really? Now normally, if you want to see DNA, we have to use a powerful microscope because it's so small. But what if I told you that we could actually see our own DNA using household items that anyone could actually have?
And I say, let's go to Wonderlab and make it happen.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Okay, so step one, we need some cells.
I think I know where we can get some of those. And now we add some washing up liquid. Every cell is wrapped in a double layer of fat-like molecules. The soap rips through that, just like it cuts grease off dishes.
Next up, we're going to add some salt. Now the salt, that's going to loosen the bonds between the DNA and the protein so it can clump together.
And boom, the DNA is free, floating around in the mix like invisible noodles.
But we still can't see it yet though, because it's dissolved, just like sugar in tea.
So that's where our secret ingredient comes in, cold rubbing alcohol. The alcohol forces the DNA out of the solution.
Now you see all these cloudy strings here? That's millions and millions of strands of DNA clumping together. Now it's not pure DNA, it's mixed up with proteins and other cell bits. But this globby looking mess is your biological barcode.
That's kind of how they do it in laboratories, but with high-tech gear and ingredients to clean and properly separate the DNA. What we've done here is kind of like the DIY remix.
But it's the same idea, taking DNA from cells. Whether you're testing for genetic diseases, solving crimes, or identifying species, this is where it all starts. Breaking open cells and pulling out the code of life.
So, from spit to science, that's DNA visible with your own eyes.